you know, I find it so interesting na when you read the family code, meron palang ganito, na parang sabi heart-wrenching, parang touching, na meron palang mga provisions na ganito. Pero totoo, no? And it will give you a reflection kung anong klaseng pamilya ang nai-envision ng family code, no? So let me state them briefly because I know we have limited time. To keep them in their company, to support, educate, and instruct them by the right precept and good example, and to provide them for their upbringing in keeping with their needs. To give them love and affection, advice and counsel, companionship and understanding. So it's not just a feeling, it's actually a duty for us to give love, affection, and advice and counsel to our children. To provide them with moral and spiritual guidance, inculcate in them honesty, integrity, self-discipline, self-reliance, industry and thrift, stimulate the interest in civic affairs, and inspire them compliance with duties of citizenship. So, hindi ko gawa-gawa to ha. Family code to ha. Kaya sabi ko, ganun din, no? You know, minsan, when we were students, hindi po masyadong significant sa amin kasi lalo na hindi pa kami parents. Pero ngayon na, parents tayo, nasa batas pala. No? So, to furnish them with good and wholesome educational materials, supervise their activities, recreation, and